Mastros is a Chrome extension that exports LinkedIn data straight from your browser. It covers both products: LinkedIn, profiles, companies, jobs, and posts, and Sales Navigator, lead searches, account searches, and saved lists. 14 export surfaces, one panel. Here's how it works. Open a search and open the Mastros panel. It detects the surface you're on, reads what's already loaded, and gives you a preview to export. It works anywhere you can already see the page: searches, lead lists, company pages, posts, and your own connections. Lead search pulls the full list: name, headline, company, location, and profile link. Company employees and connections do the same for a company page and your own network. Jobs exports titles, companies, and locations. Post audience gives you everyone who reacted or commented. Gather details opens each result to add visible experience and bio. Only new record skips what you've already exported. Export to CSV, JSON, or JSONL. CSV opens straight in Excel or Google Sheets. Read only. No messages, no requests, no automation. Everything runs in your browser. Mastros LinkedIn Data Export. Available on the Chrome Web Store.